Farming has evolved over the past few decades toward mechanization and homogenization, utilizing synthetic fertilizers, additives, herbicides, pesticides, and mass production methods. The environment and human health are undoubtedly being impacted by all of this. And new diseases are spreading quickly among both humans and animals. Birds flu being the most recent one. Did you know that the World Health Organization creates reports to demonstrate the dangers to our health posed by the use of chemicals and other products on food, combined with the manufacturing procedures used? Without a doubt, organic gardening is a much better option in terms of reducing one's impact on the environment and one's health. If you have space for a few pots or even a small piece of land, it is a wise decision to grow your organic vegetable garden. Today I'm presenting you with 8 reasons why you should plant an organic vegetable garden. Number 1. No genetically modified organisms, GMOs, will be used to produce your vegetables. Vegetables are grown using hormones, antibiotics, and other medications. Vegetables with uniform appearances and bland tastes are one effect of this practice. In addition, we end up ingesting the hormones that were used to treat the vegetables, which could be harmful to our health. Number 2. Neither pesticides nor artificial fertilizers will be used. Regardless of pests or weather, these chemical products are constantly used to obtain crops, which have an impact on the quality of the vegetables. In addition, most pesticides are toxic to people. Number 3. Your vegetables won't contain any additives. According to studies conducted by organic food associations, food additives can lead to hyperactivity, migraines, heart disease, and osteoporosis. Number 4. Organic farming helps protect the environment. There is less water pollution, soil poisoning, and insect or bird mortality. Because you won't use pesticides or other similarly harmful products on your vegetables. The ecological system is restored by the organic soil, which creates a safe environment for all living things. Number 5. The taste of your organic vegetables will be much better. Compared to foods that have been chemically treated, organic foods contain more vitamins and minerals. Vegetables grow unnaturally and lose flavor when pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, hormones, and antibiotics are used. Your cooking will be improved by using organic vegetables because their flavor will be more intense. Number 6. It is much healthier for you to eat your own organic vegetables. Another plus to having an organic garden is that your herbs, fruits, and vegetables are not treated with toxic substances. And they'll be more organic than any you could buy at the store. Consumers are less likely to contract diseases when they eat organic food. Number 7. Helps you save money. Growing your own organic produce can help you save money. You can avoid paying for gas to get to the store just to buy lettuce, cucumbers, radish, etc. If you have a vegetable garden in your backyard, you can instead head outside and gather some of your own veggies for your meals. Number 8. You can support both your own sustainability and the sustainability of the environment. Planting your own organic fruits and vegetables enhances your sense of connection to the land and the other creatures that share it with you. Small communities that exchange naturally grown goods among their members have been established, making the world a friendlier and better place for everyone. Since the crops are grown in the way that nature intended, chemical-free crop production is more environmentally friendly. As you might have guessed, naturally grown food does not contain additives, fertilizers, pesticides, or hormones. Grow your own organic vegetables for better health care. Just a few pots will do. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon button for the next video updates.